Hi, I'm Colin. I'm here today to introduce to you guys a new amazing feature of Fusion 360. If you are a 3-axis or 5-axis CNC machinist, get ready, the machine builder is here. As you all know, there is a disconnect between how you create your programs on the CAD and how you then take it down onto the machine, onto the shop floor, and then how you run it on the machine. Well, from now on, that can actually be completely avoided with the new Autodesk machine builder. How this machine builder actually works, it takes a digital twin of your machine. It allows you to then simulate all of your machine axes, so you then can simulate exactly how the machine is working on the CAD. You can import your CAD model onto that through the simulation, so that actually when you take it down onto the machine and start to run it on the machine itself, you can actually have got full confidence now that what's actually been written on the CAD now is being simulated on the machine, all through CAD. Okay, so if you're a current Fusion 360 user and you want to know a little bit more about the machine builder, what you need to do is to contact the team at CADspec, and then we can talk you through how you can then separate this and create this into your own portfolio of machines and give you this added benefit that's now with Fusion 360.